morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to the 5th edition of Global Power Platform Bootcamp.
We're absolutely thrilled to have each and every one of you here today, making this the biggest Power Platform event of the year.
With over 100 location hosting this event, we are opening a door to truly inclusive and connected global experience.
We have an exceptional lineup of speakers featuring Microsoft professionals, MVPs, MCTs, and community leaders who are all eager to share their knowledge and expertise with us.
From enlightening sessions on Copilot, Power Apps, Power Automate, and more, there's definitely something for everyone to explore and learn.
Let's seize this opportunity to meet, connect, learn, and share with one another. A heartfelt thank to you for being part of this global celebration. Congratulations to each of you for contributing to the success of this event.
And please remember, don't forget to capture the memories and share your experience on social media using our hashtags #GPPB2024 and #GlobalPowerPlatform. Get ready for an unforgettable day filled with learning and fun. Thank you so much. Cheers.
Hello everyone, my name is Charles Amana and I'm the Corporate Vice President for Business Applications and Platforms here at Microsoft. My team's responsible for building the Power Platform. And I'm incredibly honored to get this chance to welcome all of you to the Global Power Platform Bootcamp, where we have a chance to come together as a community and members to learn the latest and greatest hits as it relates to the Power Platform. If you look at what makes the Power Platform so special right now in 2024 is the fact who it enables and how it enables development across the organization. Business users or citizen developers are now able to participate in digital transformation. If you can describe a problem or use a visual designer, which most business users in sales and finance and marketing and HR can do, then you're able to use the Power Platform to create amazing solutions. Additionally, if you're a professional developer and you're used to writing code and deploying services, you can now add the Power Platform to your tool belt and build solutions faster than ever before. This idea of a single platform that goes across the entire company that makes it possible for business users, IT professionals, and coders to collaborate together to create solutions is a game changer for every organization and every user. At a time where we all need to find ways to be more efficient and to scale our businesses and respond to highly dynamic work environments, Power Platform makes it possible by changing the economics and unlocking all kinds of new developers inside the company. And we've been at this journey for a while. The Power Platform, we first started to release its capabilities 6 or 7 years ago. We coined the term Power Platform in low code about 5 years ago. And now over 45 million people every month are using the Power Platform, creating automations with Power Automates, creating web and mobile applications with Power Apps, exploring data with Power BI, creating websites with Power Pages, or using Copilot Studio to go create amazing AI solutions. And speaking of AI, we are at this incredibly unique point in time where generative AI is changing what's possible with software and redefining how humans interact with computer interfaces. Instead of just being able to write code or use a visual designer to drag and drop build things, we can now use natural language. We can use pictures. We can use examples. We can use metaphors to create applications, to automate processes, to explore data. And at Microsoft, of course, we've rallied around this idea of Copilot as the best way and easiest way to expose generative AI capabilities. We made it possible for all of you to use Copilot while you create solutions in the Power Platform, so you can go faster than ever before. And we've really pushed the envelope about what's possible with natural language inside of our products. Probably the best example being in Power Automate, where you can just describe the workflow or automation you want to create. We will automatically create it for you behind the scenes using a fine-tuned and highly customized version of GPT. So all of this comes together, this single platform for the whole company, from business users to coders and IT in between. to make it possible so AI can unlock even more solutions for our creators and makers. Now, if we look at what the bootcamp is really trying to help, is to paint this picture and show how all of this starts to fit together. And the exciting bit for me, the product team, is that this is only the beginning. It's early in 2024, but we are making the largest investments in the history of Microsoft in the Power Platform as we go forward, which means a ton of new innovation. So a year from now, we'll come back and there'll be hundreds, if not thousands, of new capabilities to make Power Platform stretch to new and interesting ways, to use Copilot to create solutions in new and exciting ways, and all of this coming together to make it faster and easier to create and deliver business value with the Power Platform. So the Power Platform is just this amazing asset for us that's getting even more exciting with AI and Copilot, and we're pouring on the investments and the creativity to go define the next generation of all of this based on this AI reality. I think it all begins with expanding skills and teaching and ramping up others on how to use the tools that are already out there, because that's the best way for all of you to give us feedback about where to go and where we can expand and improve. So thank you so much for making the time. Thank you so much for coming together. And I can't wait to see how the bootcamp lands and what we're all learning as we go through the process. Thanks, and have a great rest of the day.